Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. In today's video, I am going to tell you 5 habits which you need to incorporate in order to be financially free. So listen to this video very carefully and watch the video till end. Then only it would make sense. Otherwise, you will understand half of the things and then it create problem. So let's get started. I will speak in 5 simple points. So point number 1 is invest in yourself. You need to invest in yourself every single day. What do I mean by this? When we get a job and we start working with an assumption, with the perspective that now I am going to office and I am the responsibility of my organization. My organization is going to define my existence. Let's take an example. If I am working at Google or if I am working at any other company, for example Infosys or XYZ, any other company, then I start defining my existence with these organizations. But this is totally wrong. Don't do this. Why I am saying this? Employers will tell you that you are their family, but whenever the pandemic like situation hits, who get fired first? It's you, right? Yes, it's absolutely right. Unfortunately, this is the reality and you can check it. When the 2020 coronavirus happened, tell me one of the biggest food tech companies in India, what percentage of employment workforce did they fire? 1 month ago, they raised an IPO. So I would want you to comment in the comment box company name I am talking about. So the bottom line is companies or corporations will tell you that Ardish, you are the most cherished employee we have. We love you. This, that, whatever they are saying. But you are responsible for your own personal and professional development. So understand this point and start investing in yourself. What do I mean by this? What you have to do to invest in yourself? You need to develop your hard skills as well as your soft skills. So, soft skills include how you write, how you speak, how you conduct yourself. Do you network really well? These are some evergreen soft skills. So, please work on it. If you have to take a course, take a course. If you have to read a book, read a book. Do whatever it takes, but get really good at these soft skills. Please don't say, I am not good at these soft skills. Don't. Now moving towards the second thing which you need to develop is hard skills. So let's take an example. If you are a management consultant, so your hard skills is business analysis, you have to be really good at it. Similarly, if you are a coder, then tune your coding skills and learn new languages which are in market. I hope you get the point. So please excel your technical skills, hard skills, soft skills and start investing in yourself. Now moving towards the second point. So the second point is improve your productivity. Why do I insist on improving your productivity? The answer is very simple. Most of us, what do we do at start of our career? We actually trade our time for money. We work 5 days in a week and at the end of the month we get a paycheck. So essentially what we are doing, we are exchanging our time for money. That's it. And if we get into a routine like morning, get up, go to office, do some work, have some lunch, come back home, cook or order some food, watch some Netflix and then go to sleep and get up again in the morning, repeat the cycle. If you get into a routine like this, what would happen is that you are not even focusing on your productivity. You are not focusing on how to grow in long term. You would continue to do your job. And again, I am trying to get into point number 1 is that you are not the family member of your employer. Let them tell you what they want to tell you, but this is the reality. You are not the family member of your employer. You are responsible for your own growth, and one core skill of the growth is being productive. You have to be productive. So improve your productivity, focusing on how to being productive. And this point number 1 and point number 2 leads to point number 3, that is beyond your job. This is extremely important that you need to think beyond your job. If you are dependent on only one source of income, then you are close to zero sources of income. I repeat this statement. If you have only one source of income, then you are close to zero source of income. You need to think beyond your immediate job. If you don't do it right now, a lot of problems in your life are going forward. So now if you go to your parents and tell them, you know what Ardish talked about this thing today in his video, they might not be very happy with the advice I am giving to you. The reason being, in our parents' time and in our parents' generation, it was okay to dependent on one source of income because most of our parents have government job or they are working in the company where employers actually took care of their employees. For example, Tata or Mahindra, they actually took care of their employees. But this is not true anymore. So please ensure that you have some side hustle if possible. Please focus on that. And if you want to argue that your employer is good, he will not fire you in any situation, then you are not practical. You are doing the same thing like everyone else is doing. So now I am moving towards the fourth point. Point number 4 and the most important point of the video is you must learn how to invest. And I say this for two reasons. Reason number 1 is all of us are making money, and when we are making money, we have to invest it somewhere. Because if we just keep our money in a FD or a bank account, the rate of interest which you will receive will be eaten by the inflation that happened. So the bottom line is, if you keep your entire salary in a bank account or in an FD, then your money will not grow anymore. Unfortunately, your money will not grow. So learn how to invest because you are making money. So please invest it somewhere. And the reason number 2 is investing can actually become a passive source of income. And this is our fifth and final point about passive income. Passive income is very powerful. Passive income is an income where you don't need to invest your time to make money, or you need to invest very little time to make money. There are a lot of options of passive income. There are massive passive income sources. You can go and watch the video for more information about the passive income. The link is in I button. So I hope if you implement these 5 things in your life, you will get a massive success in your career. And you enjoyed the video very well. So please give a thumbs up to this video. It means a lot to me.